Welcome back to the channel and an update on the captain.
We had a few little updates on social media.
Yeah.
But not on YouTube for a while.
There's been a bit of a delay with YouTube, but most of the updates, if you want to keep up to date, social media is where it's happening. So we're going to bring you up to date today on YouTube. As you can see, the captain is pretty much done.
Yeah.
And he's looking great. Again, you'll know on social media, but again for YouTube, we have been to some shows.
Yeah, we've been to a few now, haven't we?
Yeah.
Good reviews, really good reviews.
Really good reviews.
Especially
Tickets
the
are
paintwork.
selling. Exactly. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see him twinkle a little bit on the camera as you go across the flake. It's difficult. It's so, there you go. Yeah. You can see it. And when the sun is on him, Brent,
fantastic, isn't it? Really is.
Just absolutely amazing. We're in the process of trying to get to Alton Park.
Yeah,
on the 20th.
Valves.
Yeah, for Vox Valves. We've not had full confirmation yet.
Not yet, but hopefully.
We're hoping to be there.
Because that's a dedicated Vauxhall show, isn't it?
Absolutely, so. Yeah, and you can see him in the metal.
Yeah.
For the people that have come to the shows and bought tickets, you've been given a QR code which will bring you to this channel. And we've told you about the Bloomin Wall. We won't go into it yet, but I will do a full scan of this wall. But basically, this is where your name and your ticket number is. So look out later on in the video for your name and your number. We do have just a couple of minor issues.
This one.
Yeah, the big hole in the roof is an issue. This sunroof has caused us no end of grief.
It has.
I mean, we did, bless him, Stuart, you know.
We got one.
Very cheap, yeah, but we are still having issues. But we think we've got to the bottom of it. I've lost count how many times that sunroof has been in and out of this vehicle. The headline is just staying out now until this sunroof is 100%.
We think it just needs resetting.
Yeah. So we're on with that. So don't worry about that. We are on with it.
Yeah.
The other thing that he's doing is a bit of a repair to the driver's seat. It's mainly the bolster, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of stitching. That's all. It's
yeah, and a bit of treatment for the leather. But other than that, if there's anybody out there that can help us with this, we would massively appreciate it. I've emailed a couple of people that we found online.
Yeah.
But if there is anybody that can help us with this driver's seat, we'd really appreciate it. But other than that, Brent, there's another upgrade we need to mention.
Oh, yeah.
That's Byron from Gaz Suspension. Wow.
Yeah.
He's supplying upgraded front and rear shock absorbers.
Yep.
So massive thank you to Gaz Suspension. They're actually being made as we speak. So they're due in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So we'll show you those when they arrive on social media, and we'll probably do a little video for you as well.
Yeah.
But you can see it's literally done. I'll do a walk round at the end of this video outside, so you can see him properly. And
an update of the underneath.
Yes, I tell you what, we'll do that now. I'll show you. It doesn't just look great as you can see him now. He looks as good underneath. So let's have a look at that. Walk round video. Look at him. My goodness me. I'm going to try and get that flake on camera. If you get down low with him, you can sort of see him twinkle just as the sun goes in. Just typical. There you go.
It's really difficult to get it in it when
it really is
on camera.
Yeah.
It looks amazing.
So if you're new to the captain, go back to the earlier videos. He didn't look like this when we got him. We have changed him somewhat. The body kit we had to have the rest of the body kit made in Portugal. Wheels are off a 22 plate mocker that have taken quite a bit of
adapting.
Yeah, adapting. There is our nod to our veterans. The little medal there. And obviously the colour that we've put in him, the flake, is literally for Help for Heroes. That is their colours.
Yeah, the light blue, the dark blue and the red.
Yeah. We have the Auto Last signature there, which they all have. Oh, he's just lovely, isn't he?
He is.
He really is. new brakes, new tyres. Massive thank you to Kerrs and Motor Factors, because you guys, you've supplied so many parts as donations. Thanks for your support. Well, there you go, yeah, check it out. Win this car for a tenner. It's right there, it's in writing. It's true, you can win it for a tenner.
And the amount of times we had to tell people that as well.
Yeah,
no, it's
people
true, honestly.
think it's a joke. It's not, guys. You can win this stunning car for a tenner. Oh, the spoiler. Obviously, that's a new addition.
I think that spoiler goes fantastic with that body kit.
Yeah, a rare.
It really does.
That is a rare spoiler, we've been told.
Yeah, because it has the brake lighting.
That's the one. But, I mean, look. What an absolutely beautiful car. Brent, just pop on it, love.
Yeah.
So this is where he's at. Just the issue with the sunroof and the driver's seat. That's all we've got remaining. Let's have a look under here. 2 litre, 16 valve. Had a close up of your bottom then, Mr. Burnett. There you go. Under there. Ecotech engine. That's been out.
Yeah, full service.
New timing belt, etc. Which you can see on the earlier videos. But there you have it. He's a little darling. Can you see the flake on there? Just like speckles when the sun's not on him.
Can you see it on this?
But them colours are literally, you can see there, that is the colour for Help for Heroes. And that is our nod to them.
More.
Yeah, I mean, he does twinkle, doesn't he? Oh, he's just gorgeous. Wow. So as you can see, he's looking fabulous, isn't he?
He is. It's a shame it doesn't show up on camera.
Yeah, it is difficult to get this flake how he sparkles on camera. It really is. But we might be able to show you that better because we've got the use of a professional photo booth.
Yeah. Talos Vehicles.
Yeah, thank you so much to Talos Vehicles.
Cheers.
So they basically do high-end vehicles, don't they?
Yeah.
Bespoke vehicles.
Yeah.
I'll put their logo on now. Check them out.
Yeah,
they're
check
awesome.
them out.
Yeah, so we're gonna take the captain there.
Yep. Get some decent photos
and photographs, so you'll be able to see him better. We do have another update.
Yeah, another tuning day.
Yeah, we've got another tuning day planned. So our classic car owners and our followers, get booked in with us. We are scheduled for Saturday the 4th of October here at the Auto Last Workshops. So get in touch and get booked in.
Yeah, definitely. End of year, isn't it? And
before you put your beautiful classics away, that's the kind of time.
Yeah.
Give that car a bit of loving before you put it into storage.
Yeah.
Be ready for next year.
Yes.
So you can just open the door and you're away. But the best bit about this tuning day that's planned is the proceeds are being donated to this charity. It will go on the total for the captain. So it means a lot, guys. If you're on the fence about it, get booked in for this one. Not only are you having your classic car tuned, put my teeth back in, but you are helping the charity as well.
Yeah. So
get in touch. 4th of October. Andy Carbs will be back on site, getting your classic motors running beautifully.
Cheers, guys.
Come to the end of the video, yeah? So the draw to win this car is scheduled Saturday the 15th of November, which is Remembrance Weekend, hence why we've chosen that weekend. That's when the draw is going to take place. I'll give you final details a little bit closer to the time, in the time that we're going to schedule it for. Yeah, and where we're going to do it as well. We've had a couple of offers that I'm looking into, so I'll update you regarding that. So tickets, you can purchase tickets through PayPal. The link is paypal.me/autolas. That'll take you to PayPal. £10 a ticket. Leave me your name and your contact number when you buy your tickets. That will then put you on this wall, which we're going to show you a scan of very soon. If you can't pay by PayPal, come on site. You can pay by card, you can pay by cash. It's completely up to you. And obviously on social media, we'll keep you up to date where we're going to be. We might be local to you. You can come and buy tickets at one of the shows that we're at.
Yeah.
So yeah, follow us on social media. That's where the regular updates take place. But for now, guys, thank you so much. And if your name's on this wall, that means you have supported not just me and the team, but Help for Heroes and our veterans.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Yeah, thank you for your support. And we'll be in touch real soon. Over to the wall.